Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 24 December 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 25 and name of the chapter is Days to Celebrate. Let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So in the previous video I explained you International Literacy Day, what is the importance of Ban Mahotsav, and when we celebrate this festival, that is during monsoon season, why we celebrate Teachers Day and why we celebrate Children Day. So Teacher Day, student, we celebrated this is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and we know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he loved children very much because this was the wording of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru that children are the future of the country. So on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, every year we celebrated Children Day, that is 14th November, and Teacher Day 5th September. So student, after that I explained you about UN Day, United Nations. It has played a very important role in maintaining peace and society in the world, and it was formed after the Second World War. Okay, on 24th October 1945, and then after some of the important dates are given: Earth Day 22nd April, World Environment Day we celebrate on 5th June, Ban Mahotsav we celebrated during the monsoon season, Teacher Day, every year we celebrate Teacher Day on 5th September, International Literacy Day 8th September, and UN Day we celebrated 24th October, and Children's Day every year we celebrated on 14th November, the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now student, all of you open page number 140. Let's start with the book exercises of the chapter 25. First question is, question number A, pick the correct answer. Question number 1, Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on first option 26th January, option B 28th March, option number C 2nd October, option number D 15th August. So student, question is, when we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, so first date is given 26th January. No, this is not a right answer, because 26th January we celebrate Republic Day. Every year on 26th January we celebrate Republic Day, and Republic Day is our national festival. And this, what is asked in the question, Gandhi Jayanti, student, this is also our national festival. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti, these are our national festival, because Gandhiji motivated people, because at that time there is lot of diversity in our country. So he motivated people of all the religions that they stand together in the struggle of the freedom. And what happens in the end? British, they have to return back, and on 15th August 1947 we get the freedom from the British rule. So at that time people belonging to different religions or castes, they all respect Gandhiji, and they also follow the path of a non-violence, which is always followed by the Gandhiji. Okay, so that is reason, student, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti also like a national festival. Second, 28th March, this is also not a right answer. 15th August, this is also not a right answer, because 15th August is the Independence Day. Every year on 15th August we celebrate Independence Day. On this day we get the freedom from the British rule. Now 2nd October, yes student, this is the right answer. 2nd October, this is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. So every year 2nd October we celebrate it as a national festival, that is Gandhi Jayanti, and on this day we have holiday also. on 2nd October. Now, question number 2. Earth Day is celebrated on. Question number 2. Earth Day is celebrated on. Option number A, 22nd April. Option number B, 22nd May. 22nd May. Question number C. Question number C, 22nd June. And question number D. Question number D is 22nd July. So student, see, Earth Day is celebrated on. When we celebrate Earth Day, see, so Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd May. No, this is not a right answer. 22nd June, this is also not a right answer. So 22nd July, this is also not a right answer. So right answer is 22nd April. So Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April, and it was founded, the Earth Day was founded by a Gaylord Nelson, and he is from America. Is it clear? And he is from which country? He is from America. So on 22nd April 1970, on 22nd April 1970, the Earth Day was founded by Gaylord Nelson, and he is the leader in America. So right answer is 22nd April. Now the next question, World Environment Day. Question number 3, World Environment Day is celebrated on dash. World Environment Day is celebrated on. Options are 5th May. Option B, June. C 14th November. D 6th September. So student, World Environment Day, this is celebrated on date, that is 5th June, every year by the United Nations. Okay, so this is celebrated on 5th June every year by the United Nations. Now, question number B, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1, United Nations was formed after the nations was formed after the dash. So student, United Nations was formed after the Second World War. 24 and the date is 24th October 1945. Okay, so United Nations was formed after the, note down the answer, it is formed after the World War II. Question number 2, the birthday of dash, the birthday of dash is celebrated as Teachers Day. So the birthday of dash is celebrated as Teachers Day. So student, the second president of our country, you know, the second president of our country is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and he was also a teacher. So the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, every year it is celebrated as a Teachers Day. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So note down the answer. Let's start with the third question. Question number 3. Independence Day is celebrated on dash. Independence Day is celebrated on dash. So, student, every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. 15th August, every day we celebrate Independence Day. So, this is the very important date of the past history. On 15th August 1947, we got the freedom from the British rule. So, every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August, and Independence Day is our national festival. Independence Day is our national festival. Fourth, killing of dash animals creates a danger to the environment. So, we discuss this topic when I am teaching you about World Environmental Day. So, killing of wild animals which are living in the forest. So, killing of wild animals creates a danger to the environment. Fifth, international 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 Literacy Day is celebrated to create an awareness about day is celebrated celebrated to create an awareness awareness about education. So education is very compulsory for everyone. Now student, let's start question number C, question answer of the chapter. First question is, why was Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan launched by the government? Question number C. Answer the following. Question 1. Why was Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan launched by the government? So student, why was Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan launched by the government? So this Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is started by the government, and what was the aim? What was the aim of the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan? Its aim is to provide free and compulsory education to all the children between the age of 5 to 14 years. So this is the aim of the government, to provide a free and compulsory education to all the children whose age is between 5 to 14 years. Was started by the government aiming at providing free and compulsory aiming free and compulsory education to all the children between between the age of 5 to 14 years. So Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan was started by the government aiming at providing free and compulsory education to all the children between the age of 5 to 14. Thank you, student.